What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So right now I'm standing in New York City's biggest snowstorm in about 5 years. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning right now, so me and Brutus are out here. We're basically the first people to see the snow. As you can see, it's pretty deep. So I'm taking him on his walk and we're gonna see what we see today. It's gonna be a pretty interesting day. Stay tuned. You can really see how deep the snow is. Nobody has been out here yet, so it's just me getting this first snow for the first time. So right now, we just walking in the street, walking in the middle of the street, trying to get to the park, see if I can get him in the park so he can run around for a little bit more. Right now I'm just walking in the middle of the street. It's cold out here, man. You like it? Brutus. Oh. Alright, so this part of the snow is pretty deep. Oh, this is a thumbnail right here. So I'm gonna see how deep it is when he gets to it. Go, 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 go.
I can't close it.
Alright, we're heading back to the house. It's cold out here. I don't want to keep him out here for too long and him get sick or anything like that. So I'm gonna call it a day. It's only like 7:30. But I'm about to bring him inside and see what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. It's a crazy day today, man. Hope you guys are staying safe. Hope you guys enjoy your day. Enjoy this snow day. Brutus, come on. This way. Come on. Brutus, come on. Currently on our way back to the house. Oh, where's this guy going? Brutus, Brutus, let's go. It's cold out here, man, but it's so beautiful. It's been at least 5 years since I've seen snow in New York City, so it's definitely new. It's nice, it's beautiful. Trying to get home, but he's taking forever. Brutus, Brutus, come on, come. Golly. There he goes. Look, this is him. He's the only person that's been on this block so far.